Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August 23rd, 2018. This is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis. We're here to give you all the news according to the charts. Definitely the market has been very reluctant today in going lower in price, especially Bitcoin. We saw a huge movement to the downside yesterday on the daily price chart, and the market right now is up almost 2.15%. which is pretty good in the short term, right? But we still have to go through that huge weakness we saw yesterday. So we're not out the woods yet for Bitcoin moving to the downside. And I just wanted to bring that up to your attention, that Bitcoin is not ready for higher prices as of right now. As we go through the rest of the cryptocurrency space, we are moving slightly higher today. There's more green on this particular page rather than red. So literally, you can look here on the right side of this page as well that we have just literally been in the consolidation mode for a lot of these cryptocurrencies today. So a lot not going on right now. Okay, definitely you want to pay attention though to see the type of bars that we are getting in the market, whether they are precursors of strength or precursors of weakness in this space. Because if it is more strength bars we are seeing, then definitely the market will continue to move to the upside, and we'll talk about that as we go throughout some of these altcoins for today. What we're going to do today is going to be OmiseGo, Zcash, Verge, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. OmiseGo, OMG, is currently up 4.13%. Last trade was $3.65. So it looks right here on the daily price chart that we have found the bottom, but yesterday's bar is still has some concern for me. Still telling me that the weakness is still here in the space. We're just taking a break. Let's look at the 3-hour chart for OmiseGo. And literally, we've been in a consolidation phase for today's trading. Support is at $3.40. Resistance is all the way up there around $3.80. Midpoint resistance. And the top area of resistance is at $4. Weakness is here. So I'm not necessarily expecting this currency to move to the upside. Let's look at the 1-hour chart real quick. And you can see here that we don't see a lot of indications of strength on this chart too. So my analysis for OMG, if you're interested in this particular analysis, is for continuation and consolidation and even movement to the downside. So I am looking for OMG to move lower. It has to stay above $3.60 in order for us to at least maintain a little higher probability of moving higher, which I do not see at this particular moment, but it can still stay above $3.60. Now, next one on the list is going to be Zcash. So we're looking at Zcash right now. The currency is up 3.57%. The last trade was $132.08. Just like with OMG, Zcash looks like it has found the bottom. $120 is that bottom as of this particular moment. Let's zoom out though and see. Can we move a lot lower than that? And definitely we can. So this is not the bottom for Zcash. You can see here where the market came and bounced on the 27th of 2017, the month of May. came and held support here around $155. And then on this particular day, September 15th, 2017, the market came all the way down to 142. So we are literally around that area price right now. So we definitely need to watch the market for Zcash, because if we get more indications of strength in the space, then this currency will move to the upside. But with the bar that we got yesterday still concerns me. So even though we are moving to the upside, the volume definitely is not there. So literally I am still seeing the ability for Zcash to continue to move lower. 3-hour chart for Zcash real quick. We are seeing some indications of some market strength. The volume is not here though, so just keep that in mind. We might hit a quick movement to the upside, then resume back down at lower prices. $135 is the area of resistance that we need for Zcash to break in order for us to move substantially higher in price. Short term, yes, this currency can move higher, but I am not convinced that it's going to move substantially higher than $135. Slight probability that it can though. So now the next one on the list is going to be Verge. So let's go ahead and take a look at Verge, calculated by TradingView. This currency is consolidating today. Don't see a lot of indications of market strength. Literally 1 penny has been 0.012, has been the area of support over the last week or so for Verge. Taking a look at the 3-hour bars, we are holding consolidation momentarily. I'm still expecting Verge to move to the downside. 0.013 is resistance. If we can break that though, this currency can move all the way up to higher prices. Which would be around 0.014 as resistance. But I'm not convinced that Verge is ready for higher prices as of this particular moment. Now, the next one on the list is going to be Ethereum. So looking at Ethereum right now, consolidation is ongoing on the 3-hour chart. The currency is up 1.56%. Last chart was $274.64. Daily price bar for Ethereum shows us nothing but consolidation in the market. Okay. We might get a quick movement to the upside into tomorrow's trading, but definitely the 3-hour bars is still showing us some sellers in the market. So I still don't see a lot of indications of huge strength in the space for Ethereum, and we'll be literally expecting this currency to consolidate and even move back down to lower prices. The market cannot break $270 in order for this currency to move a lot higher in price. That is the area of support that has to be maintained in order for us to break out and move higher in price. Right now, we do not see that. Instead, we see weakness coming in around $280. So that is the area of resistance that you need to watch in order for Ethereum to move higher in price. And even when I break it down to a smaller time frame, there's still nothing but weakness here. So my analysis is for Ethereum to consolidate and move lower. Now the last one for today is going to be Bitcoin. Taking a look at Bitcoin right now, daily price chart, we have recovered from the huge selling that we saw yesterday in the market. but I'm still not convinced that this currency is ready for higher prices because we still have to overcome $6,600. Okay, since we are close to the ending of this line, I am going to extend it. Out a little bit further. All right, so still have $6,600 to contend with. The volume is severely lacking from what we saw yesterday in Bitcoin. This currency is up 2.23%. Last trade was $6,505. 3 hours chart for Bitcoin. You can see even on the 3-hour bars how the weakness is still coming into the market. Be careful. 1 hour chart still got that stockpile coming in. Not necessarily seeing a lot of indications of market strength. Expecting Bitcoin to consolidate and move lower. Area of consolidation is $6,600 now, and support is around 64 and even possibly 63. So we can bounce in between those prices throughout trading tomorrow. But nevertheless, I am still seeing lack of interest in higher prices for Bitcoin. That's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you later.